It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. From the striking looks to the proven powertrain technologies that are up to any task, this Silverado stands out from the rest. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, remote engine start, air conditioning, V8 engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Chevy, 100 years of icons. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
For the past 20 years, Williams has delivered the best service, the best experience, and the best selection in northern Michigan. We're conveniently located at 2600 North US Highway 31 South in Traverse City, Michigan.